This is Steve's 2022 C8 Corvette Z51, transported in from Atlanta. And today, we're taking you over our shoulder as we install our Stage-1 Magnuson Supercharged Package, along with the optional Dodson Superstock clutches. But before we start turning wrenches, let's get our starting point numbers on the dyno. And this one comes in considerably higher than we normally see, laying down 443 wheel horsepower and 439 pound-feet of torque. And with the baseline set, Dylan racks the car and gets started. Up first, he disconnects the battery and removes the ECU for unlocking with HP tuners. And while he's handling that, let's take a closer look at this Magnuson Supercharger system. Coupe models get the cast lid finished in wrinkle red. Hardtop convertible models get the black anodized billet aluminum lid. And if you want something a bit more custom, we can also powder coat these in a variety of colors. And just check out the CNC machined billet aluminum inlet. Absolutely gorgeous work. Next up are the Brian's Fully Racing push rods and rocker arm trunnion bearing upgrade. From there, Dylan moves into the Supercharger drive system. Followed by the Supercharger cooling system. Now, this setup houses around 5 gallons of coolant, which is key to keeping intake air temperatures under control, especially during extreme duty conditions. And that's particularly important since this car frequently sees track duty at Road Atlanta. Next, the OEM GM LT5 95mm throttle body is installed. Followed by the Mighty Mouse Solutions Wild Catch Can. And because this car spends time on track, we convert the catch can into a recirculated system. This ensures that no oil sloshes out of the breather under heavy cornering. Then finally, the JLT intake system.
Perfect. Yes. All right, let's put it in. Hey.
And right on cue, the ECU returns from HP Tuners, unlocked and ready to tune. Now, we didn't want to break continuity of the standard installation, but along the way, we also installed Dodson Superstock clutches. We've pushed these clutches to over 800 pound-feet of torque at the wheels, so it's safe to say they can handle a serious beating.
He's got the inners set up, and the outers are going in.
And it's also worth noting that we're one of the very few Dodson C8 Corvette authorized installers and handle the entire process in-house from start to finish. With the mechanical work completed, Vlad straps the car back down to the dyno to dial everything in via HP Tuners. With our Stage-1 Magnuson Supercharged Package and the Dodson Superstock clutches in place, output jumps to 636 wheel horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. Over stock baseline, that's peak gains of 192 wheel horsepower and 144 pound-feet of torque, and maximum gains of 209 wheel horsepower and 171 pound-feet of torque. Pretty significant difference over stock. Now, it's worth keeping in mind that we normally see around 580 to 600 wheel horsepower with the stock clutches in place. This is because we have to be a bit more conservative to keep them happy long term. But once equipped with the Dodson Superstock clutches, Vlad's able to lean on the setup much harder, and that clearly shows up in the numbers. And for fun, let's see how this compares to a stock C8 Z06. Compared to our Stage-1 Magnuson Supercharged Package equipped with the Dodson Superstock clutches, that's a peak advantage of 81 wheel horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. But under the curve, that advantage climbs to 170 wheel horsepower and a staggering 252 pound-feet of torque. So it goes without saying, that's quite a difference. So if you're on the fence between upgrading your Stingray or switching to a Z06, this data might be useful for that decision. And with that, Steve caught a flight to Wilmington for a much more entertaining drive back to Georgia, along with a track day at Road Atlanta that same weekend. So if you're ready for this level of proven performance from your C8 Corvette, we're ready to help you get there. No matter where you're located in the United States, we're here to make the entire process easy, transparent, and fun from start to finish. Reach out today to learn more.